Stop using oil for your eggs. Yes, really. That little drizzle you add every morning could quietly be adding calories and fat. Most people think eggs are healthy, and they are, but the way you cook them, that's where it goes wrong. What if I told you you could make eggs healthier, lighter, and even more delicious without using a single drop of oil? If you watch till the end, you'll learn the one common mistake that ruins this method for most people and how to fix it. Welcome to Vitasignal 60, where small daily habits create powerful, lasting health. If you're over 60, you already know it's not about extreme diets or expensive equipment. It's about simple, practical changes you can do every day. Today, we're talking about how you cook your eggs, because this small habit happens every single day and quietly shapes your health. Most people never measure the oil they use. 1 tablespoon has about 120 calories. Most people don't just use 1, maybe 3. That's 240 to 360 extra calories in a single meal. If you eat eggs every day, that's thousands of extra calories every month. Over time, this healthy breakfast can quietly contribute to weight gain, slower metabolism, extra fat intake, especially after 60, when your body processes fat differently. But here's the key. It's not the eggs that are the problem. Eggs are already rich in protein, vitamins, and nutrients. The problem is what we add to them. Even a small habit, repeated daily for years, can affect your heart, weight, and energy. Many people don't realize it, and that's why this method is so important. The simple trick. Here's the simple trick. You don't need oil at all. Instead, use water. Yes, plain water. Before you dismiss it, chefs have used this method for years. It's called steam cooking, and it keeps eggs soft, fluffy, and moist. Here's exactly how you do it. Step 1. Heat a nonstick pan on medium heat. Step 2. Crack your eggs directly into the pan. Step 3. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Step 4. Cover with a lid. That's it. The water turns into steam, which cooks the eggs gently, evenly, without burning. No sticking, no excess calories, just clean, healthy cooking. You'll notice the difference immediately. The texture is soft and tender. No more rubbery edges. No dry, overcooked bottoms. And the flavor is clean, fresh, and natural. Why this method works. Now let's talk about why this method is better. First, texture. Steam keeps eggs soft, moist, and fluffy. Second, taste. Without oil, you actually taste the eggs themselves. No greasy aftertaste, just natural, fresh flavor. Third, health benefits. You remove unnecessary fats without sacrificing satisfaction. After 60, that's exactly what matters. It's not about eating less. It's about eating smarter. Small changes like this, repeated daily, have a huge impact on your long-term health. You can feel lighter, your energy levels improve, and your heart will thank you. Making eggs delicious. You might be worried it will taste bland. Don't be. This is where the method shines. Add a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Want more flavor? Paprika for warmth. Chili flakes for a little kick. Garlic powder for depth. Add fresh herbs. Parsley, chives, green onions. Add vegetables for extra nutrients. Spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes for creaminess. A splash of milk or a spoon of Greek yogurt. Your eggs become nutrient-packed, healthy, satisfying. Even picky eaters will love it, and it's still completely oil-free. Most people fail because of small mistakes. Mistake number 1. Using too high heat. High heat can burn your eggs or make them stick to the pan. Keep it medium, be patient. Mistake number 2. Skipping the lid. Without a lid, no steam forms, and steam is what cooks the eggs gently. Mistake number 3. Adding too much water. More water does not make better eggs. 1 to 2 tablespoons is perfect. Mistake number 4. Overcooking. Steam cooks faster than you think. Check your eggs often. Soft and tender is the goal. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll have perfect eggs every time. Even beginners can do this. Even busy mornings can work. Tip number 1. Always use a fresh nonstick pan. Tip number 2. Medium heat is your friend. Tip number 3. Cover the pan to trap steam. Tip number 4. 1 to 2 tablespoons of water only. Tip number 5. Soft and tender eggs taste better. Tip number 6. Experiment with herbs and spices. Tip number 7. Add vegetables for color and nutrition. Spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes. Tip number 8. A little milk or Greek yogurt adds creaminess. Tip number 9. Taste your eggs before adding salt. Tip number 10. Consistency is key. Small tweaks repeated every day have a big impact over time. Let me tell you a story. One of our viewers, 65 years old, tried this method for 1 week. She was skeptical at first. By day 3, her eggs were fluffier than ever. By day 5, she felt lighter after breakfast. By the end of the week, she said mornings felt easier, more energized. And she hasn't used oil since. This shows how small changes make a huge difference. And it doesn't take effort. Even one tiny habit, repeated daily, adds up over months to noticeable health benefits. Here's a challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, when you reach for that oil, try steam-cooked eggs with water. Notice how they feel. Notice how they taste. Notice how your body feels. Then leave a comment and tell me, backhand index pointing right, how did your eggs turn out? Backhand index pointing right, did you feel the difference? I read every comment, and I'll respond because I want to hear your experience. People over 60 love this method as it's simple, it's fast, it's healthy, it keeps eggs moist and soft. No rubbery edges, no burnt bottoms. The taste is clean, fresh, natural. People report feeling lighter, more energetic, and more satisfied after breakfast. It's also easier to cook consistently. No messy oil, no extra cleanup. Even beginners can do it, even during busy mornings. And it only takes 2 to 3 minutes. This method does more than make eggs better. It supports weight management, improves heart health, keeps cholesterol in check, reduces unnecessary fat intake. Even small reductions in calories, repeated every day, can lead to noticeable results over months. Your metabolism works better, energy levels increase naturally, and you feel lighter throughout the day. Small habits like this are easier to maintain than strict diets and give long-term benefits. Want to make eggs exciting? Try a sprinkle of smoked paprika or a pinch of curry powder. Add fresh herbs like dill or basil, vegetables like bell peppers or tomatoes for creaminess, a spoon of Greek yogurt, or a splash of milk. Even a little cheese works if it's low-fat. Experiment with textures, crunchy, soft, creamy. Make each breakfast enjoyable. Remember, keep water to 1 to 2 tablespoons. Medium heat is important. Use a lid for steam. Check eggs frequently. Soft and tender is better than overcooked. Experiment with flavor. Add vegetables and herbs. Small, consistent changes create noticeable results over weeks. And mornings become easier, lighter, healthier. Tomorrow morning, when you reach for that oil, try water instead. See the difference for yourself. Sometimes the smallest changes create the biggest results. This tip helped you. Subscribe to VitaSignal 60 for more simple, powerful health tips designed for life after 60. Leave a comment below. Have you tried cooking eggs without oil? Or will you try it tomorrow? I read every comment, and I want to hear your experience. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.